Hi guys, good evening. This is Bean Fat Biker Studio. First time to tune in to my channel. First, hit the subscribe button, like, and share. At pakichismis na rin sa Chismis Brigade, Chika Brigade, okay? Sa mga tropa dyan, okay? As you can see, tayo ay naka-call center mode. Okay guys, we're back. This is Bean Fat Biker Studio again. It's gabi na po sa ating background. As you can see, this is a quick video only and a quick review, okay? As you can see, parang call center mode tayo, no? Before I proceed to the winner, okay? Take note, the winner of the 5th drone, okay? Yung 5th drone ng ating pinarapol last Friday and today is Sunday. It's time to check who is the lucky winner, okay? Sa ating the 5th giveaways of the drone. And again, kung sino man po yung mga nanalo, congratulations. At dun sa mga hindi po pinalad, huwag po kayong mag-alala. Napakarami pa po ng mga weekly giveaways, mga drone. Dadami ang drones, pang 5 pa lang. Naway, pala rin tayo na maka-100 drone tayo. Okay, that's my aim, no? Ang purpose ko talaga is makapagbigay ng any gadget, kahit simple lang muna. Beginners, entry level, kahit hindi pa tayo DJI, kahit tayo binabato tayo ng mga basher natin, but hindi DJI pamigay mo. Hindi ka pamigay mo, DJI yung pamigay nyo. Okay? Gusto ko kasi maging entry level muna ang ating mga kababayan, no? Ating mga loyal subscriber of the Beer Fat Biker Studio para, okay, mag-practice muna kayo. Okay? Kung magkakaroon naman kayo man lang ng napakamahal na drone and yet lalagwa lang, okay? Pupunta sa mabubong, mapunta sa building, okay? Pumunta sa dagat, pumunta sa kanal, sa estero, wala na. Iyak ka ngayon. Okay? So ngayon, I'm going to announce that one and at the same time, I would like to promote this simple vlogging audio equipment, no? Hope my voice is quite clear. Okay, I'm using this one. This is a ultra high frequency, okay, mic, okay? Bluetooth din siya. So yung Bluetooth ko ngayon, yung pinaka-unit niya, nandun sa aking camera nakasaksak. So as you can see, adjustable naman siya. Sana maging call center boses ko rin, no? Call center. Hello, may I help you? Okay, parang call center na call center. So kagandahan nito, ayan siya, oh. O siya yung nabibend. So if you would like to check or grab this very simple, very cheap gadget, no, that you can use and you can pursue your regular body in our or your blogging for YouTube or any social media platform, you must have this one. Okay, this is a necessity. Okay, as you can see, no, sana maganda yung quality ng voice kalalabasan nito kasi wala nang take 2 tong ano to. Tama ba, direct? Wala nang take 2. Wala nang take 2. Okay, ang ganda nito, tanggalable. Take note, tanggalable. Okay, as you can see, ayan ba, nako, baka pumalog yung boses ko. Matatanggal siya ganyan. Oops. At pwede mong isalin dito o itago. So may Bluetooth naman siya. So pwede ganyan. Sana narinig pa yung boses ko. Okay, so ayan po siya. So, isabit muna natin dito. Okay? Huwag sana magloko yung boses. Excuse me po. Okay, hindi po yung COVID. Okay guys. So, let's check, no? So, tingnan nyo dito. So, puntahan natin yung video natin, yung ating drone giveaways unboxing. Guess that drone and it's yours. Okay? So, kaya sinabi ko, follow the mechanic who will be the first. Okay, who will be the first to guess the correct answer, follow the mechanic sa kanya ang drone na yun. Okay? Na pinakita ko. Okay. And again, before we go there, this is the answer and the correct mechanics for that question. Okay? There you go. Kita nyo? Yan. Yan ang brand ng drone na yun. Asian drone. Okay? Asian drone. So, yan po ang tamang sagot. Then, lagyan pa natin ng hashtag, okay? Shopee PH brand ambassador, then space, hashtag BNFatBiker. Okay, let's see. Punta na tayo sa ating mga nag-comments, no? Sa mga nag-comments. Maraming salamat po, no? Sa mga nag-comments, sa mga sububaybay, sa mga bagong kaibigan. Be sure, you are a loyal and legit subscriber. Marami pa tayong paniliparing mga drone sa mga susunod. At mamaya nga, or bukas pala, meron tayong video. This coming week, meron tayong panibagong video. May unboxing naman tayo. And then, bigyan natin sa mga dapat na nangangailangan. Of course, in a very, very mystery question and mystery mechanic. Yung po ay may kinalaman sa vlogging camera na action camera rin. Okay? With combination of tripod. Yes. It's original po. So, kung anong brand din yun, secret. Abangan po ninyo yung unboxing ko na yun. Okay, bumalik tayo ngayon dito sa ano. Ito ang mga nag-comment. Tingnan natin kung sino ang naunang tamang nag-comment sa kanya yung drone na yun. Okay? Tara, isa-isahin natin mula sa pinakauna hanggang sa pinakauli. Sabayan niyo ako. Okay? So, as you can see, nakikita nyo, yan yung video ko. Okay? Okay. So, from the latest, doon sa pinakaluma. So, makikita nyo, may sumasagot ng Globens, Asian Epitate Drone, blah, blah, blah. It will go down, no? Marami sumagot ng Asian, no? Marami sumagot ng Asian, which is correct. Correct siya. Ang problema yon, who is the first one who answered it correct? That means, binantayan talaga yung paglabas ng video natin. That means, napaka-loyal ng subscriber na yun. Okay? At binabasa talaga o pinapakinggan at pinapanood ng bawat segment ng video natin yun. Kasi, take note guys, hindi ako basta-basta mamimigay ng gadget or giveaways. Nandoon ang mga mystery question in between of that video. Kaya babantayan ninyo. Malamang iba dito is kinopy lang yung sagot. Okay? Okay. Puro issue nyo, no? Ayun. So, ang kauna-unahang nagsagot o sumagot ay itong si John TV. John TV, who are you, no? So, your answer is Asian Drone, hashtag Shopee PH Ambassador, okay? Hashtag BN Fat Biker. Okay ba, no? So, ayan po, si John TV po, unang nakasagot, okay? Asian Drone po ang sagot, okay? So, congratulations to Mr. John TV. John TV, wherever you are, whoever you are, please email me your name, address, okay, and contact details sa BN Fat Biker, okay, BN Fat Biker HQ, okay, BN Fat Biker HQ. Kaya lang, mali ata eh, pati email ko, nakalimutan ko na. Kaya lang ha, dami kasing email eh. Teka lang po. Kasi may dalawang headquarters tayo eh. Baka mapunta sa ibang barangay yan. Okay, double check lang natin ay... Ano ba talaga email ko? Ayun, tama nga pala. Okay, bnfatbiker@gmail.com. So, John TV, kung sino ka man, please send me your name, address, and contact details. And I will send you an email, the confirmation, and the shipping details via LBC. Okay, guys? So, again, guys, about this mic, okay, Bluetooth mic, wireless mic. So, just check the link description for more details and some other drone and gadget in the link details description. Okay, maraming gadget tayo dito. And take note, it's Shopee cashback until February 2. So, up to 20% po ang cashback, no, sa mga bibili ng mga item, especially gadgets na nasa listahan sa baba ng Shopee. Okay, up to maximum 20% cashback po. Okay, guys? So, thank you so much and magkita-kita tayo muli sa next giveaways po. Wag po mawala ng pagkasa giveaway. Huwag kayong malungkot. Marami pa tayong giveaways. Marami tayong sponsor. Take note of that one. Okay guys, this has been Fat Buyer Studio. Maraming salamat po and see you again.